Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up Microsoft Edge browser for XIAOMI 12T. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here find Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. Here you can customize it, so sign in to turn on synchronization, accept or not for data sharing preferences, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and finally we can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.